Morning, afternoon, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we have factorizing by grouping. Group means put those that are similar to one part, then bring out what is common. For example, this first one, solution, the first one we have here, I'm seeing x here, I'm seeing x here. I'm seeing y here, I'm seeing y here. If I like, I group these two. If I like, I group these two. I can see z here, I can see z here. So let's group these two. So this becomes xy plus ay plus az plus xz. So group y here. Y is common here. So y into bracket x plus a plus what's common between these two? We have z. So bring it out, z into bracket a plus x. So I have a plus x, s plus a, which is the same thing. So we just say this is y plus z into bracket x plus a, or a plus x. And that's all. We have ended up factorizing it. Now let's look at the second one. This one, 5pq to the power of 3 minus pq square r square plus 5pqr minus pr cube. I can see 5 here, I can see 5 here. Group this, then group these two. So this becomes 5pq3 plus 5pqr minus pq square r square minus pr cube. Now we are grouping it. Look at. Now what is common between these two? I can see my 5p and I can see 1q there. So I bring it out. 5pq into bracket. What is left here? That's q to the power of 2. So that's q to the power of 2 plus. Now what is left here? I've already brought out 5pq. I'm left with my r. When you divide it, you are left with r. Now minus, what's common between these two? I can see my p here. I can see my r squared. So I have p r squared into brackets. I'm left with my q squared plus my r, 1r. Because this r to the power of 3. Now, whatever is here must be what is here. If you solve it or you have grouped it and what is here is not what is here, check again. That means there must be an error. Now from here, just pick one of them. So this becomes 5pq minus pr squared into brackets q squared plus r, and you have ended up factorizing this expression. All right, let's look at this other example. We have AB minus 2CB plus 2CF minus AF. Now, what do we have? Let's factorize by grouping them. What's common between these two? We have B, so bring out B. B into bracket A minus 2C plus, what's common here? I can see F here, I can see F here, so bring it out, plus F into bracket 2C minus A. Now, the first thing we need to do, we need to make this 2C minus A be like A minus 2C, because right now they are two different things. So 2C minus A is the same thing as negative A minus 2C. So this becomes, replace this by this. So this becomes B into bracket A minus 2C minus F into bracket A minus 2C. So we are pretty much done. A minus 2C, A minus 2C. So this becomes B minus F into bracket A minus 2C. Now let's look at the second question. This is number 4. 12 minus 4x minus 3y plus xy. Now what is common between these two is 4 is a factor. So bring it out. This is 4 into bracket 3 minus x, yes. What's common between this? I can see y here. I can see y here. So this is negative y into bracket 3 minus x. And we are pretty much done. 3 minus x, 3 minus x. So this becomes 4 minus y into bracket 3 minus x. And that is our final answer. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. We looked at factorization of expressions by grouping them. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. Just like in our usual style, before we go, here's some list of take-home fun. Factorize this expression. The first one says 2ab minus 4cb plus 6cd minus 3ad. The second one says a squared plus 5ab minus 2a minus 10b. And the last one says 4xyz minus 10ayz minus 4x plus 10a. Do let me know the answers in the comment section. To meet again. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till meet again, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.